Alstom is one multinational dedicated to the transport mobility solutions. In Spain we have the 4 activities, rolling stock, services, signaling and systems and infrastructure. We are in total 2,000 employees. In Barcelona we started 5 years ago a program to incorporate digitalization to our industrial processes. We are developing new technologies in terms of digitalization to our industrial processes. After the validation, we deploy around the world in the rest of sites. The main one for Alstom to participate in the European project Sharework is to validate and to check the feasibility to use cobots in our industrial environment. The main benefits expected for this project, first of all, is to reduce the industrial cost basis. Second, is to check that it's possible to improve the ergonomy in our operations in the field. And third, and not less, is to improve the quality expected and the safety in our industrial environment.
Sharework is a European project coordinated by EuroCAT in which human-robot collaboration is taken to a further step, to a new level. The project develops hardware and software modules which are able to understand not only the environment but also the human actions. Knowledge, sensors, human tracking, gesture recognition, environment recognition, augmented reality and other fields in artificial intelligence are put together to get the robot overcome human barriers and get an effective collaboration with humans. In Alstom use case, Sharework will focus on improving working conditions by adding security to the tram, door and window subassembly process.
In this line we have the possibility to manufacture all tramways that we have defined in the group. We have the target to try to automatize different subassemblies. One of them is the pre-assembly of door frames. We have workers working directly in this process, applying the riveting with a specific tool, with a specific means, but always manually. The target of this challenge in this project Sharework is to analyze how we can introduce a cobot, a collaborative robot, to help to the worker to do all these tasks.
Quality and productivity improvements apart, what we expect is to have some improvements in ergonomics issues, in physical efforts for our people, and in repetitive tasks. Sharework research will help us to continue improving our health and safety conditions and our people welfare. Moreover, from a human perspective, software and hardware aspects apart, we are very interested in the human-robot interaction and collaboration. So we want our people to be absolutely safe, but also to feel comfortable in this new working environment. This digitalization process is only possible if we put our people in the center of this transformation.